Hey, welcome to our channel. What we're about to show you today is how to start a credit repair business in 2022 and not spend thousands of dollars and don't get anywhere. Keep watching. Hey, I'm Zebulon Mitchell, and this is my wife.
Marquisa Mitchell.
And we own a successful credit repair business, and we also are authors, where we have taught other people how to start a business, fix their own credit, and do a bunch of other things. You want to tell them more?
Sure do. We have helped people buy homes, refinance vehicles that they were stuck in high interest rate loans. We have also helped people leave their 9-to-5s that they never said that they would do prior to starting a credit repair business, and we're going to show you all how to do it for free.
For free. So keep watching. As you continue to watch this video, we are going to drop a gem, and this gem is going to show you how you can start helping people build their credit, and it won't cost you any money or cost your customers any money. So continue to watch this video, and I'm going to also put a timestamp so you can understand what's going to happen during each time of this video. So if you want to skip and watch a certain segment that's pertaining to your business or how to start your business, we don't want to waste your time and have you watching a 10-minute video and you don't get value. So let's get right into it. The software that we use, and we always tell everybody to use, because there's hundreds of softwares to use, but the best one, no matter how much it costs, you want to get the best results for people. That is Credit Repair Cloud. I put the link down in the description. I have the link right here. You can use Credit Repair Cloud, and I promise you, you will not be unsatisfied with it. You will not have to worry. And on top of that, we give you a free course on how to use this software. And Daniel Rosen, which is the owner, also give you a webinar. Want to tell people more about it, what they can expect?
Yes. So Credit Repair Cloud is so amazing for so many different reasons, but I'm going to tell you my favorite, which I think is my husband's favorite options in Credit Repair Cloud. I know through life, you get busy, right? Credit Repair Cloud is built with detail of your day-to-day in mind, because you can have your tasks scheduled for certain days, certain times, to notify you when you need to do a specific thing for a specific member. It's also designed to already have your letters pre-formatted for you. You can add letters, you can take away from the format. You can go back and look at what's saved. You can see how many items have been deleted if someone calls with questions. And my most favorite part is that anybody you sign up under Credit Repair Cloud will have access to their own client portal, meaning at any day, at any time, they can use their logins, go to the link that you have sent them when they signed up, and they can from there get any questions answered that you may not be readily available to answer, which keeps your customer service at Chick-fil-A level.
That's what we're looking for. You want to be able to service your customers and also not to deal with the headache behind not providing information to them when they need it.
Right.
So Credit Repair Cloud is the #1 credit repair software. Other people may have favorites, but this course that we're giving you for free is solely based around Credit Repair Cloud, and it will make life a lot easier for someone who's starting a business. Also, he gives you a 30-day trial. So you can send the letters off, but you have to make sure that you complete the trial first, or you just go pay for the software, which is going to pay for itself. Now that you all have heard about Credit Repair Cloud, if you're using this software or thinking about using it, I want you to drop a comment and tell us what are some issues or maybe some things you have heard about softwares that make it easier for you. Also, I'm going to do a quick giveaway. We offer mentorship for people with new businesses or existing credit repair businesses. It's a 1-hour call with myself and Marquisa, so we both will join the Zoom with you. If you want to get that 1-hour free call so we can mentor you, you can ask us any questions, comment. We will respond in 72 hours. But whoever, leave the best comment. Tell us some of your problems. I want to know, what is the problem you having with starting a credit repair business, or what are some of the problems you having with getting your business to grow? The best, it's not a testimony. What would you call it? Like somebody who's going the best
experience, their personal experience.
Okay, well, the best personal experience or adversity, or it's a word I'm looking for. It's gonna come to me though. But whoever had the most, story that needs the most help, We're going to do a 1 hour free call with you to go over your thing with your business. So comment, let us know. I will personally respond to it, and I'm going to say, hey, you're the winner, and I want you to send me your number so we can schedule a call to help you with your business. We have 72 hours to respond, so don't expect us to respond within 24 hours. At least give us 72. For everybody watching this, you will be able to access the training that we provide for free. All you got to do is follow the link up here or go to the one in the description for our free credit repair training.
Next, it's time to start talking about your credit monitoring. And Tebulon will tell you about it.
So with credit monitoring, we like to use two of the most simple companies there is out there. You have Smart Credit and Identity IQ. The reason why, both of them breaks down the credit reports and make it so simple that even a child could read it if they knew what credit was. So if you look at Identity IQ, it talks about all 3 credit reports. Smart Credit does the same. We give you your 3B reports. Your customers that you're serving will need this to keep up with their monthly updates. So that portal that we told you about, we have a way where you can go through and actually read what Smart Credit says on that portal, and it gives them more of a simple, detailed breakdown about everything wrong with their credit. So something that we ask you to do is get your customers signed up under your affiliate link so you can make residual income from Smart Credit. So with that residual income, Smart Credit can pay you a commission, Identity IQ can pay you a commission. Smart Credit have more programs to me that I personally like. So I go with Smart Credit, but I still use Identity IQ for customers who can't sign up with Smart Credit. With this commission, it can, be a pretty nice, healthy amount because your customers are going to need it. Can you tell them more about why the customers need it?
Yes. So Smart Credit or Identity IQ will allow for you to send monthly updates, keep your customer informed monthly. As soon as the credit updates, you can update their credit report, know of any deletions and score increases through those 2 credit monitoring sites. Now, the great thing about having an affiliate link with your credit monitors is that they're going to need it anyway. Most people are in credit repair from anywhere from 6 months to maybe even a year, depending on the severity of their credit. So the great thing about that is you're building income on top of the income that you're already producing from servicing the member with working on your credit. So that is so amazing to know that, hey, my affiliate link with Smart Credit or Identity IQ can essentially pay for all of my business needs and may even have some left over in the beginning when you're first starting out.
So you're not only making money doing credit repair, but you're also making money selling people the tools they need to grow the credit repair. So I said that to say this. Here's the next gem I told you I was going to give you. So we told you about credit repair. We told you about the affiliate links, and we told you about how we use our mentorship to help people. Well, we're going to put another link up under here, which is credit building tools. If somebody's going through a credit repair program, they need to learn how to start building their credit back up. We have a list with about 20 different lenders that can help somebody with bad credit. If you sign up for this list, not only can you start helping people with bad credit, but you will get paid an additional commission. So now we're showing you how you can save yourself lots of money and expense by helping people. The goal is to help.
Now, this is the section that we're going to talk about staying compliant in your credit repair business.
So you have 2 people or 2 entities that govern credit repair. That is the FTC and the CFPB. 2 people you don't want to play with. What you think about those guys?
You want to stay truthful. You do not want to advertise that you are doing credit sweeps. That is not the service you're providing, and we are not teaching you how to do that. We are teaching you how to do credit repair the correct way. We are not teaching you to lie to the FTC and CFPB because those are 2 people you do not want to lie to. You do not take upfront payments from your potential member or client.
You have to do an analysis first.
Yes.
Always do an analysis before you ask for a payment. We want you to stay in business and not lose your business.
Correct. So to piggyback off of that, basically what you'll do is the same 2 steps that we're going to teach you to do. You'll have an intake form. You'll get them to sign up for credit monitoring. Your consultation initially is free. and then whatever the free trial with whatever credit monitoring service, Smart Credit or Identity IQ. And from there, then you can charge them your pricing that you have set up for your business.
And it's real simple. So now we have went over quite a few things. We don't want to be long-winded, but at the beginning, you learned about us and what we do. You learned how to start a credit repair business for no money. You can start with a free trial. During that free trial period, your job is to learn how to use your credit monitoring tools, which we can teach you how to do that with this free class that we offer. If you want mentorship, you can always reach out to us. Those who come in it, we will respond within 72 hours so we can see who won the free mentorship. But I feel like if you have it and you really understand it, you should be able to take this class that we put together and you should be able to see some pretty awesome results. But if you want mentorship, just reach out to us. We are available. Once again, I'm Zebulon.
And I'm Marquisa.
We are Find a Credit Solution.